Hi, after using my Bagotte, I find afterwards I need to dust because it kicks up some dust. It's easy to find replacement parts on Amazon. You need to change these regularly or else it won't charge. It does work on hard floors, carpet, will go over onto rugs if it's not too thick. The model that I have does not need Wi-Fi. I bought this about 2 years ago. I think it's a good buy, well worth buying. You do need to elevate cables and things that would get in the way, like long curtains. Build quality is good, and I've not had any issues with it apart from when I didn't change the brushes often enough. The brushes on this do need cleaning, and that's why it's not picking up particularly well. This model is a drawing cleaning model. It doesn't mop. They do work for 100 minutes after a charge. This model does not work with Alexa. As you can see, it does go up to the stairs, but it won't go down the stairs and do the steps. I know it's a daft question, but people do ask it. If you have a new carpet, it will pick up more fluff. That's perfectly natural because it's more fluff in a new carpet. I have put shake and vax down before and used this carpet to shampoo the carpet. That works quite well. No, it doesn't work with mobile. I've tried calling it, it doesn't answer me back. It's another question people ask. If you've got a dog, this is ideal. If you've got dog ears, it does pick them up. Of course, you've got to empty it more regularly. You can set this up on a schedule so it cleans at certain times of night or day. So you come back and your house has been hoovered. I have used this on my hard floors, no problem there. Just hoovers up the hard floor. I might be repeating myself, but you can buy the replacement brushes, everything else off of Amazon, and there's no issues with getting them. I think these are ideal if you've got mobility issues. As you can see, it's going to go under the bed in a minute. Whee, there it goes. It goes under and it mops your bed. Underneath the bed, gets all the fluff out where you can't reach. So you haven't got to pull it out all the time. It's nice and easy. You want to make your life easy, don't you? Some hoovers only have one brush on the front, and some hoovers aren't very good with oh, show my leg there. One of my concerns with buying this was if the battery is going to degrade over time. It hasn't.